Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 freezing problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do is just click here and then type now just type background apps, and then make sure to disable all those applications. Make sure to turn off all those applications just by turning off the first option, and then close this window. And now after that, type here Windows Update, and here click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here. And now close this window, and then type here device manager, and then click display adapters. Now update all those drivers here, search automatically for drivers, and then next one, and that's it. Now type here, now restart your PC, and before starting your PC just make sure that the applications that you don't need here is disabled. Applications that you don't want to start up when you start your PC, right click and disable it. And that's it. Now just restart your PC, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.